Alright, the next step, you're going to want to just clean up all of the old caulk around here. I'm going to spray some alcohol, loosen it up. Clean that off. Here I have a replacement sill from a company called Siltech. It's 100% acrylic, so it won't ever rot like the old wooden one. It's actually the perfect fit. You just fit into these grooves here. So what we can do, it's a little bit tight. So we're just going to protect it there and test fit first. Looks pretty good. So I'm going to come back. Put some of this liquid nails underneath, wedge it back. You'll need one of these. And then after that's set, you come back with the silicone caulk and caulk around the edges.